It's me Shadul, and today we are going to make a Grape Mojito. It's a very refreshing recipe that consists of grapes and a lot of refreshing things. Since it's grape season and there is a nationwide lockdown in India, so I decided to make this for you. So let's get started. So we are going to need a cup of grapes, 3 to 4 teaspoons sugar, a handful of mint leaves, keep some of them for garnishing, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, and a pinch of salt, or according to the taste. So we're going to add grapes, then sugar, and leaves, some mint leaves, a bit of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a cup of water. Now blend this together. Now blend this out. It should be finely blended. That's great. We have to strain the juice now. Now, just soda. Put some soda in it if you like. Then we'll put some garnishing like the mint leaves and some other garnishing if you like. And here's our refreshing grapes mojito. Hope you like this video, and be sure to make this recipe and try it out. Drink this. I tell you that it tastes amazing.